destroyed is transferred. Watch how this energy is transferred. Watch this now. This the energy. It says potential energy of 3 balls. Now I'm gonna drop 3. Woo! You see it?
3 moves.
You got it?
Today we're here at Joe Brown Park for another STEM Saturday sponsored by the Department of Defense, DoD STEM. So today we're going to be doing force in motion. Kids are going to design and build their very own propeller cars and push cars and explore how force in motion works to propel a car forward. They're going to get to do other activities involving force in motion. They're going to get to see a simulation of cars spinning together, of 2 cars colliding together. They're going to get to see some 3D printing, virtual reality. They're going to get to experience STEM on different levels. So we're excited to be here today for another opportunity to engage kids in STEM opportunities.
I made this propeller that if you spin it enough, it starts going up.
So some of the activities kids are going to be doing today is they're going to build a push car, a propeller car. They're going to get to explore force with a centripetal force activity. They're going to get to create oobleck, which is like slime that they'll get to stick their hands in and get to explore how force works on a non-Newtonian fluid. So it's going to a bunch of activities kids don't get to engage with that are pretty cool and get to expose them to like force in motion in STEM.
I'm making a car powered by wind. Basically, we have a motor fan, and it's gonna push against the wind, well, the air at least, and it's gonna move forward.
I'm creating a car, so basically, I place the propeller right here at the back, and then I connect these 2 wires for it to create a function so it can spin.
I brought my 8-year-old daughter here. She has always wanted to be a chemical scientist. That's always been her dream. And she doesn't really have a lot of opportunities in school to do hands-on learning and science and STEM-based projects. So I brought her here so she can get exposure, so she can just learn the basics and just have a good time with science. Yes, I have an 8-month-old. She is in daycare, and again, I wanted to expose her. I wanted to send her to the We Play program here, just to kind of expose her to science, get in early. You can never start too early. So that was kind of my idea with that.
For STEM, Nola, and training grounds to work together, because we know the earlier that we can expose children to science activities, STEM activities, the more they'll grow to love it, the more they'll want to be a part of it. And if we can let parents know that everything that toddlers are doing is STEM, right? They're exploring a whole new world. So they're testing things out, they're coming up with theories, they're trying to figure out the world. So if we can get parents to really work with them and encourage them to be these little scientists during the first 5 years of life, we know that we're setting a solid foundation for the rest of their lives.
So the propeller, and I have the motor. So this is connected to the motor, and it helps. So and that is connected to the propeller, and then I just have to put this on, and then this metal piece starts spinning, which makes it spin, and the car starts moving with air.
Matei.
Matei?
Yes.
All right.
Good job.
Congratulations.
Thank you.